We getting hurricane prepared. Jalen and Ice is putting them up. Yeah, Giovanni over here. Giovanni toting them. That man got this down. All right, look at her. Now, when I say these babies did this, look at these babies. Look at these babies. Look at Giovanni. He resting right now.
No, because I had nothing to do. Stop yelling.
He can't pick the other ones up by himself. Y'all, I swear, they be working our nerves sometimes. I ain't gonna lie. But when we need them to come through, they come through. They come through. They work them nerves, but them bad boys come through sometimes. Y'all think I should buy them something special to eat today? Giovanni. Look at them, y'all. My babies. They did this. What would y'all like to eat today? Nachos?
Sure. Got me bleeding out here.
Why you bleeding?
I got cut.
Oh, sorry,
Well,
baby.
he's like, oh, it's a lizard. It's a lizard. I'm like, I don't care about that lizard. He said, it's getting in your house. I'm like, can you please? I said, can you please shut up? He said, okay.
And then yelled at him and told him to shut up.
And then he went inside. He got mad and went inside. Like, I don't care, bro. You keep talking in my ear. You're not doing nothing. Like, literally just sitting there talking.
But he gonna be the main one ready to eat. Y'all look at Giovanni.
He kept talking about, he ain't had breakfast yet. Shut up.
You're not even doing that.
Yeah, he think cause he the youngest, he exempt from work. But it is. Jalen got it. He gone. They got this. My baby chair arrived. She feel like she's in heaven. Yeah. Jalen wants recognition because he blew it up, y'all. He always got to have recognition.
Me too. You can't never wait for it.
Good morning, y'all. What it do? Y'all see? This is the calm before the storm, y'all. This is the calm before the storm. But we ready. We hunkered down. Woo! We working until power go out. I guess that's what it is. But hey, on this great hump day, y'all know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Tell your mama, your daddy, your sisters, your brothers, to everybody that you know. It's the Reese Fany Empire, babies. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. It's the crew. They trying to fix their breakfast. This one here, McDonald's made me do it. That's gonna be our new thing. Ian out here cutting up. Yeah.
Is it hurting?
No, not yet. What's wrong, Jalen? What's wrong, Johnny? Their mama want everything but can't eat nothing. That's just yeah, I think my migraine is cause she keeps, hey babe! Oh babe! Oh babe! I was not like that. That was not me when I had my surgery. But anyways, we try and get everything situated now. We got meals cooked, so yeah, and these kids don't go back to school to Monday. Lord Jesus.
On Monday?
Yes, but we'll be back with y'all. These, look. They want to show their muscles. Show the people y'all muscles. Devon, what you got? All right, y'all. Y'all, we had a visitor who wanted to come and visit us, the lizard. Of course, I had to get him. Jalen was scared. But y'all, let me show y'all this weather.
Hey guys, guess what we're doing? You want to tell them, Ray?
No, why don't you tell them, dear? You just do it so well.
We're making sugar cookies, guys, during the hurricane.
If somebody, we ain't gonna say no names, babe, wants everything to eat.
I can't even talk, y'all, because I've been hungry. So, but I be coming up with good ideas. Like little, have I died?
Hell no.
I've been coming up with good stuff for us to eat. And she like, no, because she got a cookie.
What made her think this was a good idea?
Because it's the oven on, we good. And we about to get some
I'm gonna
sugar.
pray.
Yes, I'm praying these sugar cookies gonna do its thing.
Oh. Well, she put in some cookies. We could have got some Pillsbury already made.
No, I like yours instead. See, I like Reese's cookies. Reese's sugar cookies. We're gonna show them what we come up with, babe. Anywho, guys, dinner tonight was great. We had white rice. We had the what is it called, baby?
For it was actually roast.
Roast. Yes. Roast, and I, greened it up with some broccoli. Who else had broccoli?
I don't eat broccoli.
You had broccoli, Isis? No. Isis mad at me because we had a lizard in here earlier, y'all. And Hunty, these two right here, and that three right there.
1 cent, 2 cents.
Oh, Jesus.
I was trying.
You always try. That one. What were you walking backwards for?
He just be trying to impress.
How?
There's nothing to impress.
What the hell you be doing?
I was walking back here to go get a shoe to stomp it.
And what the shit did?
And when you came in, you closed the door and it was on top.
He didn't know it was there.
Isis told him, but he had already opened up the door because he was putting the trash out. So he's not wrong.
Yeah,
it's just when he closed it,
yeah, he already knew it was there though.
it jumped down. It wasn't his fault. It was gonna jump down regardless. It was literally on top. So it jumped out. He tried to help while you were staring, and Isis got missing. So I'm upset with her.
What? Nah,
That's all you kept saying. What am I supposed to do?
It's by the couch. Reese is doing this. What?
Reese was trying to kill it.
Am I supposed to be Spider-Man and
Yes, do something. Don't just stand there
I grabbed
though.
the box and I hit it.
But
It's invincible. It keeps running. I'm like, yo, what's
And if it had jumped on Jalen, let me tell y'all,
it was a reward.
Mr. Pachuco Oliver
What?
would have pooped his pants.
That's federal. That's my full name.
that's his government name. Government.
His grandma would have heard him all the way in Miami, and she been trying to get on the boat to get to him.
You know she coming. You know she coming. Long as you know she coming. But I was just so fucking mad with them just now because that didn't make no sense how Jalen was going for a shoe that got here at the end. Only because I'm like, bro, where are you going?
As soon as Isis seen it, I turned. I was walking. He was right there. He was like, "Where you going?"
Yeah, where you going?
I was like, "I'm going to get a shoe."
You look like you was trying to disappear like Isis ass
No,
and leave Giovanni to do it by himself. And no, y'all gonna go here.
And last time I killed the lizard that went there.
Jalen's scared that if he kills something now, it's gonna come back and hunt him. Ever since he got the squirrel, Jalen's scared to kill anything.
Like, it's not funny.
Giovanni, that is with that ugly ass laugh. That is not that funny. Got figgy neck laugh.
Jalen know it's true.
Anywho, we about to put these cookies on and let that do what it do. But yeah, that's what just happened a little bit a while ago, y'all. These people of mine, and my baby had to kill it because it did kind of get away. It tried to get away, and we was like, "Oh no, sir, what you're not gonna do."
I did help though.
And then it was by my desk right here, and I'm like, "Oh no, you gotta go."
I was gonna kill it though.
I helped.
It was
I
too
did help.
fast.
What
I
part?
actually said, I hope it gets on the TV while they watching it and scare the shit out of me.
I was like, nah, I know that. Because I know for sure they would have just left. They wasn't going to be here out here no more. If we didn't kill it, they wasn't going to be out here. So that means tomorrow when I got to go to work, I got to deal with this damn thing by myself. Because they was going to get missing on me. And I'm like, no. We going to find it and do what we do with it now. So that's what happened a while ago, y'all. But anywho, baby about to get these cookies going and we'll be back.
What happened, babe?
You gotta pass me the remote.
What happened, girl? Y'all, the power flickered out.
Oh my Jesus.
Babe.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's on though. It's on. It's holding strong.
Yes,
So.
it is. Thank God.
Yeah, my baby in her chair.
Yes.
She said she gonna sleep here tonight.
I'm gonna sleep next to my baby.
Yeah, get your friend. Get your
Your
friend.
booty right here. Sleeping right here tonight. I want to sit up tonight. I'm tired of sleeping on my stomach already.
It's okay, boo. Y'all see this big comfy chair about my baby?
Look at it.
It's her. It's her BB, and she got her little her footstool. Y'all see her scar where they dropped my baby. My baby fell, hurt her knee.
And my toe scraped up.
Her toe. Well, y'all can't see it with her little socks. But other than that, y'all, let me jump in the shower before the lights really go out.